Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a gorgeous little Gucci card case wallet for you today. So this is the Marmont Gucci card case wallet. You can see we've got that gorgeous matelasse quilted leather. It's just a really nice, simple little small wallet in black and gold, perfect for every day. So I'm going to talk you through all the features of it. So it's got a flap closure with a press stud fasten, and then inside here, along the top, we've got one longer notes pocket. We've got a few card slots, so you can see we've just got those false cards in there. So we've got 2 card slots here, and then we've got 3 along there. And then we've got a very handy little zipped section, perfect for coins and stuff like that. And then we've just got one flat pocket behind there as well. So really nice, simple, but practical design. It's in a really nice condition as well. So we've called the exterior very good. It just has literally the most minuscule little bit of scuffing to these corners, and you'd have to look so close to be able to notice, because it's hardly there at all. These back corners are in a really nice condition. Again, we've got the tiniest little scuff to that corner, but other than that, the exterior is perfect. The interior and the hardware are also perfect, so we have called them excellent condition. There's no marks at all. It's just in a really nice condition, almost as new. So that's why we've called the interior and the hardware excellent and the exterior very good condition. I'll show you what it comes with. So we have the Gucci dust bag, a little miniature dust bag, and then we have Gucci paper bag, and it's a Gucci 100th anniversary paper bag as well, so it's a nice cool special edition bag. And then we've got a Gucci box, as well as a few extra bits. So we have Gucci RFID booklet, Gucci care booklet, and then we have the Gucci ribbon as well. I'll just turn that the right way around so you can see that. There we go. If you'd like to see it on our website, go to the link in the description below. That link should hopefully take you straight to this on armcandybagco.com. If it does, that means it's still available, so make sure you add it to the cart while you still can. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, that means it has sold. But what you should do first is just have a look through all the other gorgeous Armcandy that we have. We've got so many beautiful bags, purses and wallets available at the minute. So have a browse through. But if it was this in particular that you've been hoping for, let us know. We can help you look out for one. We'll get you on the request list for one, and then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. So get on that request list if you are interested in one of these. While you're on our website as well, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter. When you sign up to the newsletter, we'll send you through your welcome discount code to use on your first purchase with us, which could be this. So make sure you get that discount code. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page as well if you have any beautiful little bits like this one that you're looking to sell. We would love to see what we've got, and all the details you need to know are on that page. So have a read through there, and we will see you very soon with some more gorgeous Armcandy.